2018 Chevy Camaro SS, 6.2 liter beast. Got 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a factory X pipe. He might take off next, we'll see. Then we put some DYNOMAX race bullets there and there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back on each side there and right there. And then some quads, 4-inch black tips to complete the look, staggered. There'll be a link in the description for them if we can find it. Just came out really nice, really beautiful, as you guys can see. Just a beautiful system. We appreciate the boys for what they do. And there's the giant muffler that was on it that we took off right there and replaced it. So, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, DYNOMAX race bullets. Wow. 119, bro. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. Again. Wow. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Camaro SS, not 2018. DYNOMAX race bullets and quads. Yeah. Whoa, traffic, buddy. Don't do that. Beast mode. I didn't expect them to do all that, but okay.